Along with the Galaxy S8, this is my most favorite Samsung phone I've ever had, and it's back from the dead. It was bricked, but now it's on Android. Ice cream sandwich, which is the best, obviously, in my opinion. This phone is in lovely condition. Well, I dropped it once, but this is not mine. It's in almost brand new condition. There's just one tiny scratch here, and for the rest, the screen is in brand new condition, and it was my friend's phone. And without this phone, I would have not have met my amazing, super kind friend. And I got this thing for my birthday, by the way. He's that kind to me. Absolutely loved it. He's on vacation now, so I can't thank him. Absolutely love that boot up. It came with Jelly Bean, but it was really laggy. It has a lot of heat up issues. So I custom ROMmed it, which all the custom ROMs really suck. And although this phone is super popular with custom ROMs, they were still quite hard to find. So I just thought, why not install the stock ROM but an older version? I couldn't get the gingerbread one to install. This was just a random one I tried, by the way. I am lucky now because I thought, why not try a random one? I can't find anything to get this thing to work, and it worked. And I was so lucky it was even the right ROM I wanted. This looks a lot like gingerbread, but it's much more refined and just looks better in my opinion. Especially really nice feature is when you go to the gallery and you tap a picture and you hold two fingers and you tilt the phone to you, it will zoom in, and if you put it back to you, it will zoom out. It's a really lovely thing. I just noticed that. I think they legitimately deleted those features in Jelly Bean. So let's now get on to the ringtones. I don't know about the ringtones on the Jelly Bean ROM. I might be doing another video, but yeah, I don't know. This video needs a high amount of views to accomplish that. So I'll shut up now and let you enjoy. Oh god, that one was horrendous. I had to skip that one. I'm sorry. That one scared me. That stupid downhill, whatever. As a kid, I always found this one funny because of the. It's just like really fast clapping. I always laughed at that one. I don't know. I'm crazy. That speaker sounds good though. That is my brain when I'm having to do school. Not happy. Oh, I like this one. I like this one. And y'all's favorite one. That's the best ringtone ever made. I mean, the S5, the S6 is the best over the horizon in my opinion, but the over the horizon on the S2 is very interesting and different compared to all the other ones. The S3 one is also really lovely. So if the Jelly Bean ROM has the S3 over the horizon, I'm definitely gonna install it and give you guys a little bit of pleasure with that one. I knew someone with this ringtone. That brings memories back. Sorry that I'm so rambly today. Well, it's vacation, so at least in my country, so no school. That speaker is great. It's not a bad speaker at all. Oh, what? That is a Sony Xperia ringtone. Wait a minute. No way. I always thought that wasn't Sony Xperia ringtone. Oh, what? I just noticed that. I thought that was the Sony Xperia ringtone. Yes, I know the original ringtone of the Xperia is Breeze. But is that a stock Android ringtone? Is that a ringtone that comes with Android? What? I legitimately thought that was the Sony Xperia ringtone. Maybe this one has that? I don't know. This is an Xperia M, by the way. I like that one. Best one. Wait. Ouch. Oh, I am Mr. Postman. If that meme is still relevant. Yep, that one was on my Galaxy Ace. Hey, is that one that old? I used to have that one on my tablet. Ouch. Is it just me, or when I press something, the white spot of the screen gets more. No, the whole screen gets more bright when I do that. Huh. Funny. Come on, man. It's a 2011 phone. It's old. Oh no, the old fake wish phones. Oh, it's not a meme. Come on. My Star 2 has that one. And with Star 2, I mean this phone. This non-Android phone. Really like it though. That's Wi-Fi and all that. I installed a few games on it. Oh yeah, baby the Medion. And the one I currently use on my tablet. Listen to that vibration water. It's quite a funny one. That home button's kind of fuzzy. So yeah, absolutely love the screen on this phone. It's definitely one of the most gorgeous screens I've ever seen. Color accuracy is incredible. Viewing angles are absolutely amazing. Probably even better than an IPS display. I mean, AMOLED Plus, man, it's tear splashing in terms of colors. TN. It's absolutely amazing. I mean, I do see some improvements from the Galaxy S. The Galaxy S has a way deeper look and it's not as clear. This one has definitely quite a bit of a clearer display and it's not as brown like looking, but that could just be my eyes. I don't know. I mean, I have the brightness set to the max on my Galaxy S2. My Galaxy S has battery problems, so yeah. And it heats up quite a lot though, so yeah. See ya later.